It's time to indulge in some street food. I'm out in the market and I'm craving momos today. Momos is like dumplings, which are pretty famous in India. So I'm trying to find a good momo spot. There are a few options, but I want to find one that is a little hygienic, at least from the outside. So let's see what we can find. I think there is like a little alleyway full of food carts where I'm heading. So I haven't been here for a very long time, so it could be gone. But let's see what we can find. Been so long since I was last here that I'm not even sure if I'm going in the right direction. But oh, I think I remember this place. We're close. We're closing in to the dumpling shop. This is it.
दो प्लेट वेज मोमो चिकन 3 प्लेट वेज
भैया रेड चटनी लेना
आप चिकन है लेना आप चिकन दे 3 फुल वेज आपका
Alright, this is the momos, 30 rupees. You get 5 pieces and the traditional red chili sauce with mayo.
कल मैं पीछे पड़ गया मैं अपना काम कराने के लिए वैसे भी करूँ तो अच्छे से वो बता रहा हूँ
फ्राइड आप बेच रहे हो के अंदर लेके गया था
So the momos were delicious. I had half a plate, which is 30 rupees, and now I'm here at the Golgappa stand, and we're gonna have suji with it. Suji. Okay. One plate. Suji, yes. So there are 2 different types. Both are made from flour, but I prefer the ones on top. So these are, yes, these are 20 rupees, excuse me, 20 rupees for 6 of them. So that's how they make it. That's good. Definitely one of my favorite street foods to have. is you gotta be quick with these because they keep coming. Like he's already made the next one. This is number 5. Number 6. So this is sweet and this water is sour. It's like a combination of sweet and sour. And they mix it with, I think, potatoes and stuff. They put it inside. So it's filled with potatoes and sometimes kind of a cheese. So after the spicy ones, you have this one with a little bit of curd on it to subdue the kind of spices. All right, let's drink this water. That's it, and the whole thing, 20 rupees. Tissue. Thank you. बहुत अच्छा था. So that's it. $30 for the momos, 20 for the I forgot what it's called. So pretty good deal, 50 rupees, and you get like a shitload of food. I'm pretty stuffed after that. So both meals cost me 50 rupees. The momos were 30 and the pani puri was 20. So 50 all in all, less than $1. 2 meals, or 2 dishes rather, for less than $1. So I think that's a pretty great deal. I don't think you're gonna find anything cheaper than that anywhere else in the world. So that's it for this food video, and hope you enjoyed it. Let's hope I don't get diarrhea tomorrow. No, I probably won't. We'll see.